is going to be the one and only Miss Jugavu. Miss Jugavu. Here we go. And she's going to announce what she's playing.
Hi, I'm Isabella, and I'm going to be playing a Ballade by Chopin.
All right, and that was just a draft. We're just going to hear the first, whatever that is, 75 measures today. She's just playing that for us. All right, let me reset the poll for you guys. And we got some hands up ready. So Christopher, you want to go first?
Yeah, so I thought the character overall was really nice, and I especially liked the dynamic contrast between the sections. Although in the sections where there was like a really low bass note intro, or in the introduction, I felt that it was like really funny, and it sometimes it felt nice, like characterfully, but after a while, it kind of felt a little bit repetitive. So maybe like contrast on that.
Okay, thank you. Who else has their hand? Matt?
I like the character dynamics. So, just for your camera, we can't see your any body movement from this point, so you may need to move the camera.
Okay, yeah, that is true. This is also a presentation, right, guys? So you want to make sure you have it so we can see how you're presenting your movement. Julia Lee.
I agree with Matt, and I think like the pulse change in the beginning was sort of repetitive and sort of like overdone, sort of.
Yep. Yeah, I think this is something that you'll want to go through, Isabella, and really start to sharpen your phrasing, because I know you just started this, but you want to start getting a very clear vision for how these phrasings should go. Naman.
I agree that your camera should show your body too, so we can see your body movement. And maybe you could increase the pedal a little bit, but it may be the sound quality because it kept breaking. And on measure 29, you didn't do a diminuendo as effectively as it could be, and the coordination was not good at some parts. Like the right hand on the chords, the right hand came faster than the left hand.
Great. Hopefully you're getting this all down, Isabella. You're writing this down. We are also recording, so if you need to watch it back later, you can. Any other feedback points? Where's Allison? Allison disappeared. That's sort of strange. Maybe she got booted off on her internet. We had some internet issues in Evergreen yesterday. Anyway, all right. Well, let's close that one out. We got the results.